Hello and welcome to this video. Thanks for joining me. I am going to do this video on why I evaluate compensation plans differently than most affiliates. So I've been an online marketer, affiliate marketer, and email marketer for 16 years as of this month, the month of March 2026. So what I'd like to do is save you the pain I had when I got started. So be sure to watch this video all the way through. If you find it valuable, please don't be afraid to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, share this video with somebody that needs it, mash that bell icon so you can see further videos from me. Now that we got that out of the way, I want to go back to the point, which is most people evaluate opportunities all wrong. They look at income projections, they look at other people out there online that are promoting it, they look at the hype, they hang their hat on what someone else may be making with the program, but all that crap doesn't actually matter. So for myself personally, I look at structure because structure determines everything. So what I'm saying is it's like having a house that's built on a garbage foundation or a house without a foundation on a bed of sand. If you don't have a good foundation, nothing else is going to hold up. In other words, if the structure is weak, it doesn't matter how exciting it sounds, it's going to be a flash in the pan, it's not going to work. However, if the structure is strong, it can work even without the hype, which is very, very important because a lot of folks that will be looking at this are boots on the ground people that need something that works for them. I ignore projections. Projections are based on perfect case scenarios, perfect fill, perfect duplication, perfect behavior on the part of owners, affiliates, newbies, experienced people, all that stuff. But as you may know, it's not a perfect world. So what really matters is how the system works when people are inconsistent, because we all have lives, we all have obligations, we all get tired. So, and a lot of us are new, many, many new people coming online, and when they don't fully understand what they're doing. So that is where you want to get the benchmark of how a system works. And that's really where most systems break. So you need to be able to have a system that's easy to use for the masses and easy to join for the masses. Okay. I also look at positioning. I'm going to look, if I'm looking at a business, I'm going to be looking at where am I going to be entering? What leverage do I actually have? Am I early enough to this business or opportunity or program or tool to benefit from the growth? Or am I just chasing something that's already peaked? Because timing matters more than most folks think. The other important thing, looping back to the boots on the ground beginner ease of use, is something that's very, very important. What that is it's retention, not hype, not excitement. Because a lot of programs get people excited at the beginning, if you know what I mean. Everybody and their mother gets out there. You see it left, right, and sideways. And they get a bunch of people, but they don't keep people. And in a business, if people don't stay, nothing builds. No structure can hold if the base keeps falling out. If you don't have boots on the ground that keep it rolling, you ain't got diddly squat. Another thing I look at is spillover. However, I don't look at it quite how other folks do. People hear spillover and they think, oh, great, I don't have to do anything. I can just join and sit back on my hind end and make money. That's not how that works. See, spillover only matters, yet again, as I've said, if the structure, if the foundation supports it, and if there's enough activity from all the way from super affiliates all the way down to Joe Schmo that just joined today. Otherwise, spillover is just a word. And finally, I look at the exposure layer. In other words, how are people actually getting seen? Where have I seen this? Is it being seen a little? Is it being seen a lot? Where is it being successfully promoted? And where is it struggling? Because no system works if no new interested eyeballs get on the program or offer or tools website. No one sees it, ain't going nowhere. So, best structure in the world, No eyeballs, nothing happens. So that's why I don't just look at one piece of the scenario. I look at how everything connects. Structure, number one. Positioning, number two. Retention, number three. And fourth, finally, how, where is it getting exposed? So if all those pieces work together, you have something real. If they don't, it doesn't matter how good it sounds. So if you're evaluating anything right now, don't just ask, how much can I make? What you want to be asking yourself is, how does this actually work when real people are using it? People like me, people like you, every walk of life. That's the big difference. So, again, thank you for joining my video tonight. I hope this helped you. I really, really hope you take a good hard look at everything you're looking to join. Really look at it. Watch this video a couple times if you have to. Pause, write it down, whatever you need to do, because what I want to do is I want to save you the pain of getting boned by the system, joining something that's all super hypey, and the bottom falls out of it, and there you sit, hat in hand. Okay? That's a big difference. So if you found this video valuable, as I said, don't be afraid to hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this with some other folks you may know that desperately need it, and tap that dang bell icon so you don't miss any more group videos from me. All right, until we speak again, keep at it, keep consistent, never give up, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.